I welcome you all as far as this online lecture series is concerned. We are continuing the topic carbon and its compounds. We have discussed so many subtopics as far as this carbon compound is concerned. We are going to discuss one more subtopic from this very unit, carbon and its compound. Before discussing that subtopic, let me wish you people happy Ramzan Mubarak to all of you, to all my students, to all my viewers, and all the Muslims across the globe. May this month bring peace, prosperity, rejoice, merriment in our lives. And may Almighty Allah embellish us, or rather drap us with His special boon. My supplications, my invocations, and my benedictions goes out for you people. You people are always in my good books, and my heartfelt condolences. Rather, I am in solidarity with those families who have lost their loved ones due to this COVID-19 pandemic. Hope you people will remember me in your best prayers. Before discussing one more subtopic, let me recapitulate certain important things which I discussed with you people in the last video lecture. Occurrence of carbon. Occurrence of carbon. Carbon can occur mainly in two states. In nature, it can occur in two states. One is free state, another is combined state. And whenever I talk about the free state, that means carbon atoms are in isolation, rather in uncombined state. Only carbon atoms are joined. And whenever I talk about this combined state, carbon atoms are joined with other elements to form millions and trillions of the organic compounds we people are seeing around. Now we have one more subtopic, that is allotropy. Allotropy. What's allotropy actually? Allotropy is derived from two Greek words, allos, meaning many, and tropos means forms. So whenever I talk about this allotropy is derived from two Greek words, allos meaning many and tropos means forms. It's a tendency of a chemical element. It's a tendency of a carbon to exist in more than one physical state. And whenever I talk about this allotropy, that's why carbon shows property of allotropism. And whenever I talk about this allotropy, it's derived from two Greek words, allos meaning many and tropos means forms. And it's a tendency of a chemical element. It's a tendency of a chemical element, also it's an ability or it's a property of a chemical element by which chemical element can exist in more than one physical state. For example, carbon can exist in two physical states. One is diamond, another is graphite. One more allotrope of the carbon have been discovered recently, namely as Buckminster fullerene C60, and also called as soccer ball, because the structure of the Buckminster fullerene resembles with the soccer ball. As many as 60 carbon atoms have been joined together and they give a definite structure. That definite structure is known as Buckminster fullerene. And as far as this allotropy is concerned, I told you people it's the ability of a chemical element. And whenever I talk, we are going to the carbon, its compounds. It's the ability of a carbon element to exist in more than one physical form. One physical form, it can exist in two physical forms. One is diamond and another is graphite. And recently one more physical form have been discovered, that is Buckminster fullerene. Let's move forward. One more point I would like to add here, that as far as this allotropes are concerned, carbon is having two allotropes. One is diamond, another is graphite. As far as our syllabus is concerned, as far as syllabus of class 10th is concerned, as far as this diamond and graphite is concerned, they are having, as far as allotropes are concerned, they are having similar chemical properties similar chemical properties but different physical properties. As far as this, before discussing these having similar properties or different physical properties, let me tell you people what are actually these physical and chemical properties. We have discussed it so many times in our during classes. I told you people what actually these physical properties are. Let me recapitulate here what actually physical properties are. These are actually measurable properties, measurable characteristic properties of matter. For example, if we have to distinguish one, I can say a matter from another matter, we distinguish them on the basis of physical properties. These are the measurable properties, or I can say easily detectable properties. We can differentiate two things. We can differentiate, or I can say we can differentiate two things on the basis of their size, on the basis of shape, on the basis of color, on the basis of melting point, on the basis of boiling point. These are actually the fundamental physical properties. Whenever I talk about the physical properties, these are actually the measurable properties. And as far as these allotropes of carbon are concerned, diamond and graphite, they are having similar chemical properties. They have similar chemical composition because they are wholly or solely made up of the carbon atoms, but different physical properties. And whenever I talk about these physical properties, these are actually measurable properties of matter by which we can distinguish, easily detectable properties by which we can distinguish two things on the basis of size, on the basis of shape, on the basis of color, on the basis of melting point, on the basis of boiling point. Same is the case with this graphite and diamond. We can distinguish diamond from graphite on the basis of size, on the basis of shape, on the basis of color, on the basis of melting point, and on the basis of boiling point. We will continue this topic inshallah in another lecture. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.